was stopped and interrogated in the immigration. I'm getting ready to see my husband's house. I'm so excited to see my husband and of course Buddy. Hello guys, this is the reality. I'm here now in Naiya Terminal 1 and I need to pass immigration. I am a bit nervous. Always going out the country, but still, if said immigration, I've always feel nervous. We will see. Hello guys, now I'm here waiting area. Nakalampas na rin ako ng immigration. Unfortunately, naharang talaga ako at na-interrogate kasi nga yung gamit ko na passport is bago. Gamit ko na kasi yung apelyido ng husband ko. Yung may history ng mga travel ko is yung sa apelyido ko ng dalaga ako. Kaya talaga ako naharang. So hinanapan nila ako ng flight ticket na yung balikan and then yung hotel reservation, tapos yung visa ng husband ko doon sa pupuntahan ng bansa sa Bali, tapos ang flight ticket niya rin, and then ang marriage license namin, yun yung pinaka-importante. So dala-dala ko yun at mga 1 hour siguro ako nagstay doon sa loob sa office nila at pinalampas na din ako, di ba? Sa ilang times ko na nag-travel labas ng country, first time kong na-interrogate, gawa na sa passport ko nila empty na walang history of travel. Pero ngayon, okay na. See you soon, bye!